students, I welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in my comment box. In my last class, we have discussed about algebraic expressions. Today in this class, we will discuss about linear equations. Linear equations. Linear equations. What is linear equations? Linear equation is the algebraic expressions which highest power of the exponent is 1. A equation or a statement is of a algebraic expression is called linear equations whose highest exponent is 1. Suppose x minus 5 is equal to 7 minus 2x is a linear equation because here the highest power of the exponent is 1. X square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 is not a linear equation because here the exponent of x is 2. Highest power of the highest exponent of the variable is 2. X cube plus 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 is not a linear equation because here also the highest power of the variable is 3 is not a linear equation. 5y plus 9 is equal to 23 is a linear equation. 3 into p minus 5 is equal to 0 is a linear equation. Okay. Then solve some problems. How can we solve linear equation? Linear equation by the method of transposing. Transposing is the method in which suppose you transfer 5x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 1. When you solve a linear equation, always try to bring the variables one side and bring the constants one side. Here the equation is 5x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 1. 5x and 2x are the variables, 5 and 1 are the constants. When you solve the linear equation, always try to bring the variables left side and bring the constants to right sides. And when you transfer the constant or the variable from left to right or right to left, the sign will be changed. Positive becomes negative, negative become positive, product become division, division become product. This method is called transposing method. Here when you bring 5, here is 5x, bring 2x to left side. When you bring 2x to left side, 2x in the right side is positive. When you bring it to left side, this becomes minus. 5x minus 2x is equal to 1 minus 5. Here also 5 is in positive. When you bring it to right side, it becomes negative. 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x, which is equal to minus 4. Then x equal to minus 4 upon 3. Here 3 is multiplied with the x. When you bring it to right side, it becomes division. Here the 3 at the numerator. When you take it to the right side, it comes to the denominator. X equal to minus 4 upon 3. This is the answer. Then this method is called transposing. When you transfer the terms from left to right, its sign change. This is the method. It's called transposing. Another example. Suppose here given 8x is equal to 20 plus 3x. I have already told you always try to bring the variables to left side and the constant to the right side. Here 3x is positive. When you bring it to left side, it becomes minus. 8x minus 3x, which equal to 5x, is equal to 20. Then x equal to 20 upon 5. Here 5 is multiplied with x. When you bring it to right sides, it become divisions. 5 20 cut, you get x equal to 4. This is the answer. Another example. I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions. As you practiced variety of questions, then you can solve any types of questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Okay. 2 upon 3x plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 3. I have already told you, always keep the variables in left side and take the constant to right side. Here 1 is the constant. When you bring it to right side, then the positive sign become negative. Then here 2 upon 3x, then here 3 is the LCM, 7 minus 3, which equal to 4 upon 3. Then here 2 upon 3x is equal to 4 upon 3. Then x equal to 4 upon 3. Here the 3 is at denominator, it goes to numerator, and 2 is the numerator, it goes to denominator. 3 cancel, 2 4. Then you get x equal to 2. Then you get finally x equal to 2 is the answer. Then solve another questions. You must try to solve variety of questions. Then you can do any types of questions which will be asked in your exam paper. This question says, and you always try to complete your exercise and ask me your doubt in my comment box. I always say you, I will solve your all doubts. Okay. Here the question is 1 upon 4x plus 1 upon 6x is equal to 7 minus x minus 7. I have already told you, always try to keep the variables in left side. Variable means the x terms. Here 1 upon 4x, 1 upon 6x is equal to x minus 7. Bring the x into left side. As I have already told you, always try to keep the variables left side and the constant at the right side. When you bring x to the left side, it is positive here, then it becomes minus. Then next, then take here, what is the LCM? LCM will be 12. Then 12 divide with 4, 3x plus 12 divide with 6, 2 into x, 2x minus 12x is equal to minus 7. 3x plus 2x is 5x minus 12x upon 12 is equal to minus 7. 5x minus 12x is minus 7x is equal to minus 7 into 12. Here the 12 is at the denominator. When you bring it to the right side, it comes to the numerator. Then x equal to minus 7 into 12 upon minus 7. Because here minus 7 is multiply with it. When you bring it to the right side, it becomes division. Then minus 7 cancel, 12. Then we get the answer x equal to 12. Then we'll solve another questions. I have already told you, try to practice more variety of questions. Then it will be easy for you to appear any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Or maths always need practice. Try to practice more and more problems. Here the question is given y plus 6 upon 4 plus y minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 5y minus 4 upon 8. Take the LCM in the left side. 5 and 4 LCM is 20. 5 into y plus 6 plus 4 into y minus 3 is equal to 5y minus 4 upon 8. Then you open the bracket. This is 5y plus 30 plus 4y minus 12 is equal to, here 20 is at the denominator. When you bring it to the right side, it comes to the numerator. 5y upon 8 into 20. Then it is divided by 4. This is 5. Then 4 is divided with 8, we get 2. 4 divided with 20, we get 5. Then here 5y plus 4y is 9y. 30 minus 12 is plus 18 is equal to 5 into 5y minus 4 upon 2. Here at the right side 2 is at the denominator. Bring it to left side and it comes to the numerator. Means it is in division. When it bring to the left side it becomes product. Multiply with the terms. Then you open the bracket in the right side. 5 into 5y is 25y. 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. Then here also open the bracket. 9y into 2, 18y plus 36 is equal to 25y minus 20. I have already told you, always try to bring the variables to the left side and the constant to the right side. Here the 36 is plus. When you bring it to right side it becomes minus. Then 18y minus 25y is minus 7y, which is equal to minus 56. Then y equal to minus 56 upon minus 7. Minus minus cancel. 7 8 is 56. You get the answer y equal to 8. I have already told you, practice variety of questions. Practice variety of questions. Here another question is said. Here another question. 3x plus 5 upon 2x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. Here you use cross multiplications. This bring 3 is at the denominator. Bring it to the numerator up to the right side. And here 2x plus 1 is at the denominator. Bring it to left side and it becomes the right side, it becomes numerator. Cross multiplication. This goes to there, this goes to here. Then 3 into 3x is 9x. 3 into 5, 15, which is equal to 2x plus 1. I have already told you, always bring the variables to the left side and the constant to the right side. Here the 2x is plus. When you bring it to left side it becomes minus. 9x minus 2x is equal to 1 minus 15. This is 7x is equal to minus 14. Then x equal to minus 14 upon 7, which equal to minus 2. Here we get the answer. X equal to minus 2 is the answer. Another example. 2 minus 7x upon 1 minus 5x is equal to 3 plus 7x upon 4 plus 5x. Here also apply the cross multiplication method. 2 minus 7x into 4 plus 5x is equal to 3 plus 7x into 1 minus 5x. Then here the binomial with binomial. At first split it into monomial into binomial. This is minus 7x into 4 plus 5x, which is equal to 1 minus 5x. If students you are not clear with algebraic expressions, then the problem will persist for you in linear equations. At first you must clear with the algebraic expressions. I split the binomial into monomial into binomial. Okay. Then here you multiply 8 plus 10x minus 28x minus 7x plus 5x minus 35x square, which equal to 3 minus 15x plus 7x minus 35x square. Here minus 35x square. Bring the all terms to the left side. 8 plus 10x minus 28x plus 10x minus 28x minus 18x minus 35x square. Here 3 minus 3 minus 15 plus 7 minus 8x. When you bring the minus 8x to left side, to left side, it becomes plus 8x. It becomes plus 8x. Here minus 15x plus 7x is equal to minus 8x. When you bring the minus 8x to the left side, it becomes plus 8x. Plus, here minus 35x square, when you bring it to left side, it becomes plus 35x square. Then the RHS is 0. Minus 35x square plus 35x square cancel. Here 8 minus 3 is 5. Minus 18x plus 8x is minus 10x is equal to 0. Then 10x is equal to 5. X equal to 5 upon 10, which equal to 1 upon 2. This is the answer. So dear students, now we have discussed the linear equation of one variable, and please note down, in my next class we will cover up application of linear equations. Thank you students.